Still out in Camarillo, we got the New Balance clearance store where we get 40% off clearance items. And that means 40% off everything in the clearance section. And in this store, since it's a clearance store, they have a ton of yellow tagged items in the aisles as well. See some super comp trainers, 180. We get 40% off everything. 996 is 2 bills. Levi 580s, these are 7.5. Go for 120. 90/60 size 12, 130. 90/60 size 7.5. 90 bucks. Size 10 right here, 130. These are 100. Ooh, $10 difference between that one of them's marked well. 990s right here. These are go for $100. These are made in the US and everything. Holy cow. And they come with purple laces. 2002 R's. 9.5, 130. There's 480s, 80 bucks. 130 for these 990s right here, made in the USA. They seem to have those in multiple sizes. 997s in a smaller size right here, 180. The box top's not the right one. I think they give you a box top, I guess. And yeah, more of these. More of these as well. 1906s, 100 bucks. Fresh Foam 860s, 100. Fuel Cell Rebels, smaller size, 130. Went through the house pretty quick, but nothing too crazy. Got more super comp trainers in the aisles. These are going for 180. Gets the price pretty close to 100. Fuel Cell Rebels, 130. All the prices before the 40 off. 120 for the Fresh Foam Moors. Holy crap, Fresh Foam Moors for 120. That is freaking insane. And these are the Fresh Foam Moor 6 is the latest model. And that comes out to what, $72? 72 bucks. These are just as comfy, if not more, than the Vomero Plus. My kid loves his pair. I do have a pair at home. I haven't really worn them that much, but oh my goodness, so comfortable, like walking on clouds. A little more comfy than the Jordan 4s I'm wearing. By a little, I mean a lot. I just don't know why the Fresh Foam Moors come in such a crazy huge box. Like, look at that shoe. Look at the box. I'll definitely throw out a short. I see. No, it's size 12. Got Fresh Foam Orishis. A couple different colorways. Third one right here. Fourth different. What the hell? Alright, I fixed it. Fourth different colorway. Fresh Foam Roabs. Couple different colorways. 520s. Second one right here. This one's a clearance store, so they have multiple aisles of these clearance price items. Got 2010s. 300s off of 50 bucks. 480s off of 70. 50 for these. 480s. Thousands. That's off 100. 40% off 100 for these. Couple of 1906s. 50 and 100. 130 for the 90/60s. 990s right here. 100 bucks. 40% off. Got a second colorway right here. That's the cheapest you'll see made in the USA shoes. They got 515s off of 50, 70. And they have plenty of other shoes here. Most of them get the buy one, get one 50% off. And they have quite a lot. Fresh Foam Cajas right here. These look pretty comfortable. 880s. Been seeing a huge push of these 2000s. Oh wait, we got one more clearance price item. 509s. This is off of 130. In the women's section, they got all kinds of clearance price items. But we're definitely going to start with the clearance section first. These are some of my faves right here. 1080. These are the V14s. $90 for these. 90 bucks, 40 off. Fuel Cell Rebels right here. 130. 880s. 130. Super Comp Elites. 150. Got these pretty dope looking 574s. I love 574s. I got that. I don't know about that color for me, at least. 80 bucks. See these in multiple sizes. 515s right here. 70. 574. $60. 60 bucks for these right here. Another 40% off. So $36. 36 bucks. That's crazy cheap. Super Comp Pacers. Never really heard of those. $5.15, $80. Fuel Cell Rebels, $120. Oh, look at this. Super Comp Elites. Freaking $100. $100 freaking dollars. Damn, mine was not this cheap. But yeah, 6.5. They got a couple of them right here. I had to check my receipt. I paid $65 for mine. But look at this, look at this. Super Comp Elite, Super Comp Elite. That one's $250. This one's $100. I did order mine because they did not have my size in store, especially since I got it from the women's section. $997.60. That's kind of interesting color right here. $550s, $60. $80 for these 515s. We got a few colorways of the 515s. $80 for these. 327. First one I've seen are these. $105. Size 13, 10. 80s. That's a size 11.5 men's. That's crazy for $100. Fuel Cell Rebels, $130. This one's been here forever. Size 12, $60. $36 after the savings. I like this color too. I like them, but do I need them? Do I need them? And I don't think they're not the wide for the women's. For the men's, I don't need them wide, but for the women's, I kind of do. Yeah. All right, let's move over to the women's aisles. Let's focus on the clearance items. These are the, how the hell do you call these? How do you call this? I don't know. But yeah, these are $60, $40 off. I don't know how to pronounce certain words. I don't know what the hell is that. I don't know. I'm trying to sound it out phonetically. Don't worry. These are the 696s. Fresh Foam X Cruise V3s going for $70. Fresh Foam Roab $70. Orishis $80. Multiple colorways. $520. These are the V9s $70. 680s $80. Or got 680s. Multiple colorways. Third one right here. Fresh Foam Cajas. These are off of 100. Fuel Cell Rebel V5s. Super Comp Trainers. These are marathon training shoes right here. $130 for these bad boys. They got the carbon fiber on them. They got the crazy bouncy material. Damn, that's hella cheap. $130, $40 off. They got the Super Comp Elites, $130. And it looks like this has a little bit less of the material. And it does have that carbon fiber. Trying to be a little lighter. $130 for these. Looks like up to size 11s. 997s go for $90. 237s, $70. 550s, $100. 370s, 530s. 327s go for $100. 574s. These are really nice suede material. Got round laces in them as well. I'm a fan of these. $100. So $60 after the savings. Some more 574s right here. These are suede as well. $100. And then in the women's, mostly buy one get one 50 off as well. It's a deal you're gonna find at most of the New Balance factory stores. They have way more yellow labeled items here though. They even have the 1080 V15s. This is the latest and greatest of the 1015s. Looks like the upper's different, as well as the midsole. That is crazy. $170 for these. These are buy one get one 50 off. And they have a Breathe version as well, which is the upper is slightly different. That's interesting. More breathable material, I guess. But yeah, they did change the midsole technology. Kind of interesting. Interested to try these on. They don't feel as mushy. I don't know. Yeah, they don't feel as, I don't know, maybe a little more responsive, maybe. A little less mushy, a little less cloud feeling. Interesting. Need to get my lazy butt back to running, though. I've not been running as much. They got a bunch of the 1080 V15s here, though. But yeah, they got plenty of other stuff. Buy one, get one 50 off. Bunch of 574s and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely a dope spot if you're a New Balance fan. Make sure you stop by. Adidas has been crazy with all the World Cup apparel. They got 60% off. Oh my God, I forgot to make a short in the last story, guys. My bad, dude. My bad. I've been so bad with that lately. But yeah, I do got a ton of kids jerseys. Look at this, $30 for all kinds of jerseys. If you look at the national teams, no real sales on this stuff though. Dang, I forgot to give this to my boy. He's on vacation right now. I think he's back within the next couple days. I'm gonna have to get him this one, the $110. And this is the OG, I forgot the name of the player, OG jersey for Colombia. They got the regular national team, 100 for the, I think that's the alternate jersey, or is this the away jersey? I don't know. Got matching jackets. These are all regular price though. Got Mexico right here. I don't know, who's this? I don't really know. Soccer like that. I know people are gonna be like, what the hell? You don't know? I don't know, man. My bad, dog. Got Germany right here. Oh, is this the Germany alternate jersey? Got Belgium right here. Belgium. All the team jerseys on sale, $40 and stuff, but not the World Cup ones. Got Messi jerseys, Argentina. Messi's. What are these going for? What are these going for? 140. I was like, they don't have USA jerseys. They got the denim looking kind of USA. USA's sponsored by Nike. So yeah, 90 for these. They got LA shirts. They got some cool stuff here, guys. If you're soccer fans, all y'all international people are gonna hate me. Oh, it's football, fools. It's football. I don't know. We call it soccer. My bad, dude. I don't know. All the Mexico jerseys sold out. We've got a couple left over. They got plenty of kids ones. That one spot, what's it called? Oh, these are long sleeves. $90 for these. Bulldog Liquidator, they're the only ones that I've had Mexico jerseys that I've seen. Everywhere else, they've sold out. I've been looking for the crop top ones for the women, but they're sold out. Dang it. All right, let's go to the back wall where you get 60% off all the red tag items. Yeah, I feel like the back wall is a lot bigger than most other spots. See Ultra Boost 1.0s. Last time I saw these were not a part of the deal. I don't see any. I don't see no price tag. What the hell? Where's the red price tag, doggies? Ooh, got the Fear of God basketball shoe. $125. That's the cheapest I've ever seen these, especially with the 60% off. But this is size. I don't know if there's no size. Oh, that's a 6.5. Dang. Yeah, Ultra Boost 1.0 is not a part of the deal. But if you like some of this generic stuff, way cheap, kind of a Lakers colorway, whatever the hell these are. Yeah, these are going for 90, but yeah, 60 off. The Jabbar half shell. Got these blazer looking top 10s right here, 75. I don't know what these are. What the hell are these? The Predator or something? I don't know. But yeah, $100. There's these handball specials right here. What they talk about? It's no tag. Oh look, they actually have a bigger size. Oh no, this is a bigger size area, but no, those ain't bigger size. So yeah, if you don't mind the generic stuff like these mega rides and stuff like that, they got all kinds of stuff on sale for you. Check out the aisle, see if they have some less generic stuff. These have been crazy because I'm like, who's paying $160 for these? Kind of cool lace right here, $80. Got the non-lace for $70. Can you put these on like easily? I don't know. It feels like really tight. Another one right here. We got the Evo SLs for $100, which is solid. Not too different from the malls though. Plenty of different colorways, and then got these Boston 12s going for $80, which we've seen cheaper spots, and then they have like so many different colorways of these. And these are 12s. Then more and more generic stuff. Okay, they got some AE2s. That's the cheapest we've ever seen those. Got a few more going for 40. Pink has been like the color for the World Cup, right? Everybody's wearing pink shoes. They got some AEs in pink, and then whatever the hell this colorway is. They got a green one as well. But then more and more generics in between. Got some Audi slides. Feel cheap as hell, but they feel pretty comfy. $55, what the hell? They got Superstars that are not discounted too much. Lux right here, what the hell? Superstar Lux. Never seen these before. What the hell? These are heavy as hell. That's crazy. Got like a boot midsole. What the hell? And these Campus, they So remind me of the Towley ones. What the hell? That's crazy. $50 for those. Messy Superstars going for a good price. More of the campus. Pretty solid price. I feel like we've been seeing these really well priced at the mall too though. Yeah, I got them for 50. Cost specials right here. Like we sell a million colorways of these. We haven't been seeing them lately, so they have been moving at Ross. Handball Especials right here. Really solid discount. Pretty much that 70, damn, more than 60 off actually, right? 3 different colorways. And this one got that different material. This one's kind of cool actually. Got the Mexico colorway right here. Just this one's just like everywhere. It's just, oh, is this Colombia? This Colombia colorway is like crazy. And some Gazelles, crazy low price right here. Since the World Cup, it's been packed as hell at Adidas because almost every other visit's been dead. Women's aisles, I think we're seeing a lot of the same. The Boston 12s are down to 70 though. And a mixture of ton of generics, as well as some of the classics. Got the Taekwondos right here with no laces. The Munchins. See what these look. Oh, okay. Got Superstars. Japan's though, not the greatest price. And then we're gonna go over here, the women's clearance. I think the selection's a little bit better than the men's. 90 for the Gazelle indoors. That might match with some. No. I was gonna say it might match with some of the Mexico stuff. Not really. The F50 Taekwondos right here, $60. These campus looking Mother Lovers right here, $55. Sell 72 looking things. Oh no. These kind of look like the marathons, old school marathons, $75. Yeah, kind of similar to the men's. A lot of generic stuff. Oh, this is Sambas. It's like the one. Yeah, I don't even see a price tag on it. Yeah, a lot of generic stuff right here. And then, oh, this is stuff that's not included in the promotion. What the hell? Haven't been to this spot in a minute. All kinds of hats on sale. Mexico hats, $30. Rams, like this has that worn look. I'm not a fan of that one. 15 for that one. They talk about for these Doyer hats. What they talk about? They talk about $30 right there. Talking about 40 for these. Japan hats. Got Japan hats for 40. All kinds of hats. I don't think the deals are that great. Raiders, 40. What's this one right here? This one looks kind of cool. Corduroy. I don't know what the hell that is. A Cowboys hat, $40. See what's up with this clearance section right here. Seattle Seahawks shirts, $30. Let's see, Chicago Bulls, $20. Denver Broncos warm up. This is just like NFL brand, $40. Vikings PJ pants, $20. Got Mamba brand, $70. It's like borderline bootleg. I would just call that bootleg. I wouldn't grab those. Large women's, $40. San Francisco. I think this is a 47 brand, $50. Who's this? Brandon Ayuk. Got a Brandon Ayuk. It's a kid's jersey, $30. Yeah, it's okay. Nothing too crazy. It's worth stopping by because sometimes they have some fire stuff for hella cheap. Not really seeing it today though. What are they talking about? There's no sales tags on these. It is. I don't know. I don't see it.